right, this is 6.8.7 Applied Lab Formatting a Class Presentation on Confucius. So we have our steps on this one to complete. All right, on this one, it has all of our tasks here. So on slide 2, we are going to use the content placeholder to insert the Confucius JPEG from the pictures folder. So here's our Confucius one. And apply the compound frame. So you put your cursor on these, but don't click. It will tell you which frame they are. So that's the one that we want for Confucius. So we can check our answers on that one. First two are good. On slide 3, use the content placeholder to get the benevolence picture from our folder. We are going to crop this to remove the white space from the right and the white space from the left. Then click off. Resize the cropped picture. So I'm going to click off of it for a second. We're going to resize it to fill the right side of the slide more completely. So I can do that. I'm going to check my answers, and I have 5 out of 10. Looks good. So I'm going to slide down over here on slide 4. We're going to use the content placeholder to insert the video. So I'm going to click the video one. From the videos folder, we want video Confucius video 1, which is that one there. Insert that. Use the corrections option of the video format tab, and we are going to change the brightness of the video to 40% and plus 40, and let's see, okay, plus 40, and our contrast is 0, so that should be that one. Brightness plus 40, contrast to 0. And I'm going to check to make sure my answers are good on that. All right, slide 5. It says use the content placeholder to insert the Confucius 2 video. So I'm going to click that. Here's our Confucius 2 video. I'm going to click insert, modify the video playback, options to start automatically, which is that one there, and to hide while not playing. And then on slide 7, we want to add the following hyperlink to the Confucius Online, which is here. That's our part of it. I'm going to click the rest of it here. I'm going to right-click on this and go to my hyperlink and type in http // CONFUSQUOTES.com. Click OK. Check my answers. 10 out of 10.